Okay. Hello, this is Aaliyah and Kyle at our Western Material Handling location here in Denver, Colorado. We're super excited to test drive our unit number D21135D. It is an awesome running Nissan KUGH02A30V, which is not reality, just a 6K pneumatic tire forklift with approximately 187-inch max lift height, wide side shift carriage with load backrest. It has 48-inch pallet forks, a good running Nissan LP gas engine, automatic transmission, good air pneumatic tires. It has recent repairs as well as a new PM service and also a beautiful new paint job. You can check out this unit as well as other units either at our Fort Collins or Denver location or also on abetterforklift.com. Thank you.